When you start looking into luxury all-inclusive resorts in Mexico, Hotel Xcaret Mexico stands out as something truly special along the stunning Riviera Maya coastline. This five-star property has been making waves in the hospitality world, and for good reason. Situated near Playa del Carmen in the beautiful state of Quintana Roo, this resort takes the all-inclusive concept and elevates it to an entirely new level. The hotel has become known for seamlessly blending traditional Mexican culture with modern luxury, creating an experience that feels both authentic and indulgent. From the moment guests arrive, they are immersed in an environment that celebrates Mexico's rich heritage through its architecture, art, and entertainment. The property has gained considerable attention from travelers worldwide who are seeking more than just a typical beach vacation. What makes this place particularly interesting is how it manages to offer everything you could want from a luxury resort while maintaining a genuine connection to the local culture and natural environment. The resort's commitment to ecotourism and cultural preservation sets it apart in a region filled with beautiful hotels. Whether you are planning a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or simply need to escape the daily grind, Hotel Xcaret Mexico promises an experience that goes beyond the ordinary beach resort formula. Let's talk about where you will actually be staying at this resort, because the accommodations here are worth discussing in detail. Hotel Xcaret Mexico offers a range of room categories designed to suit different preferences and group sizes, from standard rooms to luxurious suites that redefine what all-inclusive lodging can be. Each room is thoughtfully designed with traditional Mexican architectural elements combined with contemporary comfort and technology. The standard rooms are anything but basic, featuring spacious layouts that give guests plenty of room to spread out and relax after a day of activities. These rooms come equipped with modern amenities including smart television systems, high-speed wireless internet connectivity, and climate control systems that allow you to set your perfect temperature. The bathrooms in these rooms deserve special mention, as they feature rainfall showers that make you feel like you are showering in a tropical downpour, and many include deep soaking tubs perfect for unwinding with a glass of wine after a long day. Moving up to the suite categories, guests will find even more impressive spaces with separate living areas, enhanced bathroom features, and premium furnishings throughout. The suites often include additional perks like private balconies or terraces where you can enjoy your morning coffee while taking in views of either the lush gardens or the sparkling Caribbean Sea. Room views vary depending on your selection, with options for ocean views, garden views, and partial views that still offer glimpses of the beautiful surroundings. The occupancy limits are generous, with most rooms accommodating families comfortably and special family suites available for larger groups traveling together. One particularly thoughtful touch is the attention paid to bedding, with high-quality linens and multiple pillow options ensuring a great night's sleep. The rooms also feature charging stations strategically placed around the space, acknowledging that modern travelers come with multiple devices that need power. For guests with accessibility needs, the resort offers specially adapted rooms with wheelchair access and other accommodations to ensure everyone can enjoy their stay comfortably. The technology integration throughout the rooms is impressive without being overwhelming, allowing guests to control various room functions while still maintaining that vacation atmosphere where you can truly disconnect if you choose. Now, let's dive into one of the most important aspects of any all-inclusive resort experience, the dining and beverage options. Hotel Xcaret Mexico takes food seriously, offering multiple restaurants and bars spread throughout the property, each with its own distinct personality and culinary focus. The resort features both buffet-style dining venues and specialty restaurants that require reservations, giving guests flexibility in how formal or casual they want their meals to be. The breakfast options alone are impressive, with extensive buffets featuring everything from traditional Mexican breakfast dishes to international favorites, fresh tropical fruits, made-to-order omelets, and freshly baked pastries that will test your willpower. Throughout the day, various restaurants open their doors offering different cuisine types that span the globe while maintaining a strong emphasis on Mexican culinary traditions. You will find restaurants specializing in fresh seafood, traditional Mexican regional cuisine, international fusion concepts, and more casual dining options for when you just want something simple and satisfying. The quality of ingredients is notably high, with many items sourced locally and prepared by skilled chefs who take pride in their craft. Several restaurants offer themed dining nights that add an extra element of entertainment to your meal, turning dinner into a full experience rather than just eating. The bar scene at the resort is equally impressive, with multiple bars scattered around the property, ensuring you never have to go far for a refreshing drink. From swim-up bars where you can enjoy a cocktail without leaving the pool to sophisticated lounges perfect for evening cocktails, the beverage program covers all the bases. The bartenders are skilled at crafting both classic cocktails and signature drinks that incorporate local ingredients and Mexican spirits like tequila and mezcal. Wine selections are available at dinner, and the all-inclusive nature means you can explore different options without worrying about an escalating bill. For guests with dietary restrictions or preferences, the resort is generally accommodating, with vegetarian options available and staff willing to work with guests who have allergies or specific requirements. The dress codes vary by restaurant, with some venues requesting resort casual attire while others are more relaxed, though the overall atmosphere leans toward casual elegance rather than stuffy formality. One thing that consistently impresses guests is the service in the dining venues, with attentive staff who remember your preferences and make genuine efforts to ensure your dining experience is memorable. The pool and beach facilities at Hotel Xcaret Mexico are where many guests spend the majority of their time, and it is easy to understand why. The resort features multiple swimming pools spread across the property, each offering a different atmosphere and experience. Some pools are designed for active fun with swim-up bars and lively music, while others offer quieter, more relaxed environments perfect for reading a book or taking a peaceful swim. The pools vary in depth and size, accommodating everyone from confident swimmers to families with young children who need shallower areas. Many of the pools feature infinity edges that create stunning visual effects as the water seems to blend seamlessly with the ocean or jungle backdrop beyond. The swim-up bars are particularly popular, allowing guests to order drinks without ever leaving the water, which feels wonderfully indulgent. Around the pools, you will find plenty of loungers and day beds, though arriving early is advisable if you want to secure a prime spot during peak season. Cabanas are available for guests who want a more private, shaded area with extra amenities, though these typically require an additional fee or early reservation. The beach access at this resort is one of its standout features, with the property offering direct access to beautiful stretches of Caribbean coastline. The beach areas are well maintained, with staff regularly cleaning and setting up loungers and umbrellas for guest use. The water is typically calm and clear, perfect for swimming and snorkeling, with the famous Mesoamerican Barrier Reef system not far offshore. Water sports and activities are available, including snorkeling equipment that guests can use to explore the underwater world, paddleboards for those who want to venture out on the calm waters, and kayaks for exploring along the coastline. The beach club service means you can order food and drinks delivered right to your lounger, eliminating any need to leave your perfect beach spot. The sand is soft and white, and the turquoise water is exactly what you picture when you think of Caribbean paradise. Seasonal conditions can affect the beach experience, with some times of year bringing more seaweed or rougher waves, but the resort works diligently to maintain the beach areas regardless of natural conditions. The combination of excellent pools and beautiful beach access means water lovers will find plenty to keep them happy throughout their entire stay. Whether you prefer the controlled environment of a pool or the natural beauty of the ocean, you will have options every single day. When it comes to activities and entertainment, Hotel Xcaret Mexico goes well beyond what you might expect from even a luxury resort. The fitness center is well equipped with modern cardio machines, weight training equipment, and space for stretching and floor exercises, allowing guests to maintain their workout routines even while on vacation. Group fitness classes are offered throughout the week, including options like water aerobics in the pool, beach yoga sessions at sunrise, and various other activities that make exercise feel less like work and more like fun. Personal training sessions can be arranged for guests who want more individualized attention or specific workout guidance. Beyond fitness, the resort offers a packed schedule of daily and weekly entertainment that showcases Mexican culture and traditions. Live music performances happen regularly, featuring everything from traditional mariachi bands to contemporary musicians playing popular songs. Evening shows often include dancers performing regional Mexican dances in colorful traditional costumes, creating memorable cultural experiences that educate while they entertain. The resort also organizes special seasonal events and celebrations, particularly around major Mexican holidays, giving international guests a chance to experience authentic cultural traditions. Water sports and outdoor activities extend beyond the basic beach offerings, with organized excursions available to nearby cenotes, those magical natural sinkholes filled with crystal-clear fresh water that are unique to this region. Cultural experiences are woven throughout the resort experience, with opportunities to learn about Mexican history, art, and traditions through various programs and demonstrations. For guests traveling with children, the Kids Club provides supervised activities that keep younger visitors entertained while giving parents some time to themselves. The Kids Club typically separates children into age-appropriate groups, ensuring activities are suitable for different developmental stages. Trained staff members lead games, crafts, educational activities, and outdoor play that keeps children engaged and happy. The supervision ratios are reasonable, giving parents confidence that their children are safe and well cared for during club hours. Family-friendly activities are also available that allow parents and children to participate together, creating those vacation memories that last long after you return home. The resort understands that successful family vacations require keeping everyone in the family happy, from toddlers to teenagers to adults, and the activity programming reflects this understanding. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.